Hi friends, today we're going to make candy cane pulls from pool noodles from the Dollar Tree with another few items from the Dollar Tree. So this here are the pool noodles. I got them in red and I went ahead and cut them in half. And then to make the stripes, I got white tape. I actually got this is white duct tape, but you could also get the white tape from the Dollar Tree. And then you're just gonna spin them around. I'm gonna show you how to do that in a bit. These are gonna look super duper cute. Next, I'm going to cut the pulls that are going to be used to hold on to the candy cane pulls. What my husband's doing right now is he got a tube or a PVC pipe cutter, and he's going to cut the brooms just like so in half. So I should have 12 of these by the time I'm done. Next, I'm going to get the ornaments. These are from the Dollar Tree and I got them in gold. I'm going to hot glue the top of the pool, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the ornament. Next, I'm gonna add the bows, and this is after they have been drying for about an hour. I got these also at the Dollar Tree. The cool thing about this is you get a pack for $1, which means the bows come about 50 cents each. So I'm gonna take them out of their packaging and then add glue to the pool. And also, when I add the glue and then I glue on the bow, I want to press on super with the firmness super hard, so it sticks and it won't move when it's outside. And this is how the final product looks. I did make 12 of these, but for the video purpose, we're going to show you how to display 4 of these. I did let them sit another 30 minutes so they could fully dry, and that way I don't have issues. We do live in a very high windy city, and I wanted to make sure they stay put when the winds do come. So my husband did help me with this part. So the tubes or the broomsticks that we cut in half, he got a hammer and went ahead and nailed them, so to speak, into the ground. We figured we are going to go ahead and do every line on the cement. Since we have about 9 lines on the sidewalk, it'll be more than enough. Since we made 12, so we're gonna go, well, he's gonna go ahead and nail them at every line, and then he's going to put in the candy cane pools. You guys have it. Once we've assembled and put all 12 of these candy cane pools, this is gonna look amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and also come back later as we will have a video on how the final outcome looked. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.